1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Welcome. I have been expecting you.
Hi, how are you?
I know what today is.
Today's challenge is going to be vlogging without any dialogue.
I didn't sign up for nothing. This ain't Steven needs to be quiet. He's in trouble. Hey, so how you feeling today? You know, I just want to let you know, bro. If you need something, you can talk to me, and I'd really appreciate if you'd open up like how much you care. Like if we could get that on camera, I'd appreciate it.
Do you feel dizzy? Do you feel faint?
What? I can't understand what you're saying, bro.
Do you speak any English?
What are you saying?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
What are you saying? Talk.
Do you speak any English?
You better have a bell or a whistle. Fire break out in this motherfucker.
Okay, what's up? Shut up. Okay, what's up? Okay, shut up. Okay, what's up?
What you're thinking is we come in here every day because normal life, it ain't hard enough, bro. So we do this because it adds a little extra. But even that ain't hard enough. But we love that grind though, don't we? We love that grind.
Can you dig it?
Y'all to holler.
Does the back seat fold down? I don't know. Gotta take the blood pressure.
No more locked doors! Gracias!
Absolutely ridiculous.
He can't talk right now. I have to order the Starbucks things? Yeah, I could read minds. Can't talk right now. Can I have a decaf vanilla latte? Can I get a light roast? Just whatever, just you pick whatever light roast.
What was your name again?
Sade? Wait, this is not mine. That's not mine. Hot? Okay, that's not mine though. What?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Yeah.
Yes, because you can't tell me what to do, and I'll be like, I don't know what you're saying. Get whatever I want. At least I got you a light roast, not a dark roast. Or is it like or is it
Okay.
Can you put on Queen?
Mud on your face, you big disgrace. We will rock you.
What's up? Are you not gonna talk? You're not gonna talk. I'm stoked right now. I wanted to call me. You wanted to call me, dude. You get it. The sign language. Did you? You didn't talk at all in the video. So how are you gonna mention? You're just not even gonna mention that you're not talking. You're gonna get creative with it, aren't you? I die. Oh, create every day. Okay. Crush this. I'm stoked. I'm so stoked. Whoa!
Hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Do or do not. There is no try.
Okay, shut up. Okay, what's up? Shut up. Okay, what's up?
You do not talk about Fight Club.
Galileo, 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 Figaro.